Hello everyone! Here's another amazing technique to earn passive income on YouTube without having your own channel or being a content creator. This approach that I'm about to teach you, you can literally produce a ton of money, no matter where you are in the world. So, if you're interested in learning everything, make sure you watch the entire video. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. We're going to discuss vidIQ in today's video, which is a popular tool that many YouTubers use to build their channels by increasing organic YouTube views. As previously said, this method is tied to YouTube, although it does not necessitate the creation of a YouTube video or the creation of a YouTube channel. Instead, I'll show you how to use a clever method to advertise vidIQ as an affiliate to a highly engaged audience. YouTube is now bigger than it has ever been as a result of the pandemic. According to Tubix.com, YouTube has 37 million active channels, 15 million of which are content creators, and 22,000 of them have over 1 million subscribers. As a result of this increased propensity, an increased number of people are jumping on the YouTube bandwagon and hoping to gain money from it. In addition to YouTube, using a company like vidIQ at this moment is a plan that will not only make you a lot of money, but will also do it without requiring you to put in a lot of time or effort. It also works no matter where you are in the world. So let's get started. The first thing you should do is go to the vidIQ website. Just enter vidiq.com to your Google search bar to be redirected to this page right here. Once you're on this page, just scroll down to the bottom and look for affiliate and have a click on that. On this page, you'll find a list of vidIQ affiliate tiers. As you can see, the percentage of commission you get is proportional to the number of individuals you successfully refer to vidIQ. Those who refer between 1 and 10 people, for example, will receive a 15% commission. Referring 11 to 15 new users earns you a 20% commission, while referring 51 to 300 new users earns you a 25% commission. It also doesn't indicate on this website, but vidIQ has a higher affiliate level that pays out an incredible percent commission if you refer more than 300 individuals to sign up for their platform. While acquiring over 300 signups may seem daunting, don't worry, because I'll be sharing you today a free method that can help you easily achieve those goals, allowing you to earn 50% commissions for your efforts. The 50% commission rate offered by vidIQ Affiliate Network is actually beyond industry standards, and their scheme has been tried and proven by many successful YouTube content creators. As a result, you'll be selling a product that you're confident in. Aside from that, the subscription is monthly, which we prefer, because it means you'll be earning commissions on a monthly basis. It's also wonderful because you can estimate how much money you'll make in a month. So, if you were able to sell 100 of vidIQ Boost plans, which is their most popular plan, that would equal 25% of $40 multiplied by 100 individuals, which would equal an extra $1,000 in passive income per month. And as I previously stated, because this is a monthly membership, it's not a one-time event. It will reoccur month after month after month. To sign up on this platform, all you need to do is click this one right here. It will redirect you to a page wherein you will be entering your email and password. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. You'll want to explore ways to market your link now that you join up as an affiliate. Here's the method I promise you would learn about. You're aware that YouTube channel owners and content creators utilize vidIQ, right? The best place to look for YouTubers is on YouTube. So go to youtube.com and search for terms relevant to vidIQ service in the search box. You can try something like how to boost YouTube views or even how to grow your YouTube channel. As you can see, there are a lot of videos here, and what you'll want to do is open up some of them. You'll want to seek videos with a lot of comments. The reason for this is that each and every user who has left a comment on that video is a potential vidIQ customer, because they're watching and interacting with the creator of a video on establishing a YouTube channel. It's safe to assume they're also on YouTube. There's a good probability these people are looking for software like vidIQ to assist them. Not all of the comments you'll find here will be relevant anymore, especially if the video is a few years old. So, to figure out which ones are warm leads, sort the comments so that you can see the most recent ones first. To do that, just simply click this icon and select newest first. This is due to the fact that users who made comments 2 years ago may no longer be looking for this type of information. So, once you've sorted the comments from newest to oldest, click on their name to get to their channel. If you notice that he already has some videos uploaded, you're in luck because this indicates that he will use and be interested in vidIQ. So, go to his About section and look for his social media accounts right down here. The third step, once you have her social media account, you should write an email that includes all of the vidIQ's perks as well as your affiliate link and send it to the database you just created. If you're not sure what to say in the message, email vidIQ directly and tell them you're an affiliate. Then, ask them for product information or material that you can send to your potential clients along with your affiliate link. Having this ready will enhance your chances of making a deal significantly and get you one step closer to collecting over 300 referrals to their YouTube program, which by the way has 6-figure income potential. Let's simply bring those numbers together to give you some encouragement. So, 50% of their most popular plan, which costs $39 per month, multiplied by 301 referrals, equals almost $6,000 every month. I'm not sure about you, but that sounds really good to me. I hope you have time to try it out straight away because there aren't many people doing it yet. There's also a lot of money to be made. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.